Next we can say example 1.14. So what is the question here? If A is A, what is it? And f from A to B, the function f from A to B is an onto function. This function is an onto function. Is defined by f of x equal to x square plus x plus 1. Then find b. So why you given function of x? So why you given means in A set only we know. So B set you have to find. So for that only f of x they given. Now, so we can find what is the B set. So in this function I have an onto function. They already given this function onto function. Now, so we can find the solution. So what is the A set? So -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So what is the f of x? What is the f of x? X square plus x plus 1. Now, so here a values that elements are all x elements there. In A is it x elements there. So that x elements we can substitute and we have to find what is the B set. So first you consider, put x equal to -2 take. X equal to -2. So in f of x we can substitute. So what will get f of x equal to x square plus x plus 1 now. So f of -2 is equal to -2 whole square plus into -2 plus 1. Now, so if you squaring means minus will cancel. So 2 square 4 plus into -2 plus 1. Now, so most for two positive numbers are now. So 4 plus 1 5 minus 2 5 minus 2. Then f of -2. So 5 minus 2 3. So f of -2 is 3. So next we take -1. X equal to -1. Now, so then f of x we can substitute. So f of x equal to x square plus x plus 1. Now, so f of -1 is equal to -1 square plus of -1 plus 1. Now, so 1 square, squaring time minus will cancel. So 1 square 1 plus into minus 1 plus 1. Now, so most two positive there. So 1 plus 1 2. So 2 minus 1, what will get? So f of -1 equal to 1. So then, so next we take x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. So in f of x we can substitute. So what is f of x? F of x equal to x square plus x plus 1 now. So f of 0 is equal to 0 square plus 0 plus 1. Now, so 0 square, 0 plus 0 plus 1. So what is the solution? F of 0 equal to 1. Now, f of 0 is 1. So then, x value take 1. Put x equal to 1. So in f of x we can substitute. So f of x equal to x square plus x plus 1 now. So then what will we get? F of 1 is equal to 1 square plus 1 plus 1. Now, so 1 square 1 plus 1 plus 1. So then, so what is it? F of 1 3. F of 1 is 3. So next you take 2. So put x equal to 2. Now, so then f of x we can substitute. So f of x equal to x square plus x plus 1. So x place we can substitute 2. So f of 2 is equal to 2 square plus 2 plus 1. 2 square 4 plus 2 plus 1 now. So what do we get? 7. F of 2 is 7. F of 2 is, if you take one domain means A set now, A set. So we will get one preimage also. Or else we can say, if you take preimage, we will get one image. So domain means codomain will get. No, domain means codomain will get. So what is the B set? Codomain only, in this codomain only we can consider B set. So, and what is the range? Range also same only will come. So here, so what is the codomain? codomain, and because we don't know what is the B set, we only found. So what is the B set? Then codomain and range and B set also equal. Codomain range equal to B sets. Codomain and range equal to B set. Now, so what is the B set will come? What is the B set? So 3, 3, 1, 1 and 3. So this is only now 3, 1, 1, 3. This is only okay. Sorry. So one more elements there now. 7. So 3, 1, 1, 3, 7. So codomain and range. So domain taking, codomain getting, domain taking, codomain, domain, codomain, domain, codomain, domain, codomain, getting now. So then codomain. So range, what are the relation there? For every elements relation there. So codomain equal to range equal to B sets. So what is the B set? So 3, 1, 1, 3, 7. So this is only in this way we can find.